Alright, welcome back guys. So this episode we've got brakes on the VL, transcooler and some AN fittings. We fire the engine up for the first time and we've got a new project car. So let's check all that out. Okay, so here's a bit of footage on how crusty it looks in here. All the brakes are pretty jagged and crap. Everything's all dirty and rusty and no good, so I'll get all that swapped out. Got some fresh stuff to go in, so I'll get that all in there. 3 VL turbo brakes. We've got a new set of discs with slotted discs with ARP 3-inch long studs. Bit of a shame I've actually got to cut them down because they don't fit the Calais wheels with the centre caps. But reconditioned set of calipers with new pads and braided lines over the back. So this stuff isn't brand new. I picked it up off a mate who was upgrading his VL. It's all done less than 1,000 Ks. He went to some aerospace brakes, so shame to waste it. My calipers on the old setup were seized. $280 they wanted each caliper. So I picked up the entire setup for $250. So money well spent, I think. So yeah, so that rounds out the brakes. Okay, so next job on the list is the transmission lines. So we're going to plumb up the cooler using this black nylon line and fittings. This is the rubber lined stuff, not the Teflon liner. I really don't like using that Teflon stuff. So we'll get these plumbed up and another job quick off the list. Okay, so we got our front end back on for the most part. There's our transcooler up there. Everything's all been secured. The lines run around here. So everything's all tied away from moving parts. Got our gearbox mount changed over. A few years back, a mate of mine ran a stiff mount with soft engine mounts, and it kept breaking bell housings. And after quite a bit of diagnostic, we worked out that's what the issue was. Got our tail shaft up in there. So you can see our stick out now. It's a lot nicer. And the rear end is all tore out. So here's our rear end. Okay, so we'll tear this apart, get some axles and a center in it. We'll get it all back in.
That's crazy. That's cranky, yeah. Yeah, that's cranky. That's real cranky.
Okay, we've got another VL in the shed. This one belongs to my good mate Will. So we're going to do a build on this one. He's just picked this one up not too long ago. These things are actually getting extremely hard to find in half decent condition. So we paid $5 for this one. No rego, no roadie. The interior is pretty damn clean. Except speaker holes. God, why do people do that? She is a NA Auto, as you would expect. Ready to go. So Will's already bought a heap of parts for this one. So the plan is a 3.4 litre bottom end, single cam head, because single cams rock. Got a GDX 42, power glide, trans brake, 31's flying Borg Warner with a spool, cage. It'll be a 255 radial car. Probably do some coilovers and shit in the rear end. So we'll start a series on this one. Just thought I'd give you a bit of an introduction. So we've got pretty much everything to do the fab work. We've got a 6-boost manifold, a fabricated plenum, not like the chop shop ones. It's an actual fabricated plenum from somewhere. Got a whole bunch of GFB parts, wastegate, blow-off valve, fuel reg. So we've got everything there to start the fab work. So we'll probably tear the motor out and that in the next video. Start getting some fab work done. Still waiting on everything in the post. Pretty painful at the moment. All right.